Okay, so I'm gonna have you guys stand up. Touch 3 tables, touch 1 wall, touch something green. All right, and stop where you're at. Hand up, pair up. Hand up, pair up, find a partner. There you go, that's your partner. Okay, figure out whose birthday is coming up soonest. All right. If your birthday is coming up soonest, you are partner A. You're going to go first. I just want you guys to introduce yourselves and then respond to the magnet question. Okay? All right. Working with that same partner. Again, partner A, you are the one whose birthday comes first. You've got a new set of questions up there on the board, so take a look. Thinking about the Outfit Picker app, partner A, I want you to think, how does the app use lists? You're going to have about 30 seconds to respond to that question. Partner B, when that timer goes and tells you it's your turn, I want you to describe or try to explain, when does the left button stop working? When does the right button stop working? What's happening there? Okay, so take a second, think of your responses. You've got some stems over there on the second board. All right, so partner A, you have your question and your time starts now.
Okay, the app uses lists to display the image of each clothing piece as you click the left and the right button.
The left button stops when the index is less than 1, or like less than the first one. And then the right button stops when the index is less than the last index, but subtracted the one. So just the last and the first. Yeah.
All right, so just a reminder, guys, you just finished your share with that partner. Okay, you are now joined up with another pair to make a square. Okay, you guys have a new set of prompts up on the screen. Okay, partner A is still going to be the person whose birthday comes first. So figure out who that is right now. In your square, figure out who partner A is, or pair A, I should say. All right, pair A. Pair A. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Pair A. All right. So that partner that you were working with for the last share out, you guys are now going to have 60 seconds. Okay, 1 full minute. And I want you to just kind of like summarize, what did you just share about, like as a pair? Okay. And then I also want you to describe what questions you still have about the app.
Damien said that there's 2 sets of lists, for the top and for the bottom. That was it.
So once you reach index 0, you can keep trying to go left. There's nothing for you to go to because there's no negative numbers, so it just stops. And if you go right until the end of the list, you can't keep going because there's no more numbers to go to.
Okay, Anthony said that when you reach with the left button, you can't go to the left anymore when you reach index 0 because that there's no negative numbers, so you can't go backwards. And with the right, the max is the list index minus 1 because we start at 0.
The second question?
Yeah.
The lists make it so you don't have to write like a bunch of lines of code to make the list work. You could the first thing I thought was you could do like if the image shown is this specific image and then you click left, then it would send you to the next image. And then if it was that image, but then you'd have to write each individual line for each individual option there was instead of just having a list.